Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 8. Fair share. They both laugh. But wait. Shaban gives Mukta a bigger piece. Mukta says, "Hey, that's not fair. You got the small part and I got the big part." Shaban says, "Oh, I didn't notice. This is one whole paratha. If we cut it into two equal parts, each part is called a half. One whole is equal to two halves. So if Shaban eats one half and Mukta eats the other, it's a fair share. How can we check if two pieces are equal? You can fold the paratha or chocolate piece, or you can place one piece on top of the other. If they match, they are equal. Topic: half and double. Let's now talk about half and double. Shaban says, "I have half the number of marbles you have." Mukta says, "I have double the number of marbles you have." Let's see. Shaban says, "I have half the three number of marbles you have." Mukta says, "I have six, means double the number of marbles you have." Shaban and Mukta are sitting together. Shaban says, "Do you want chocolate?" Mukta says, "Yes. But you have to share your paratha with me." Next topic, half. 4 marbles are half of 8 marbles. Next topic, double. 10 marbles are double of 5. Next example, 6 is half of 12, 12 is double of 6. These are like magic number tricks. When we double a number, we add it to itself. When we take half, we cut it into two equal parts. Topic, number line fun. Let's play with the number line. Mukta has 13 marbles. Can you find how far 13 is from double of 7? Let's first double 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So, how far is 13 from 14? Just one step. Now try this. How far is 5 from half of 14? Half of 14 is 7. 5 is 2 steps away from 7. Next topic, guess who am I? Let's play a riddle game. Guess who am I? I have less than double of 3 marbles. I have more than half of 8 marbles. Final answer is 5 marbles. Next example, I have less than double of 4 marbles. I have more than half of 10 marbles. Final answer is 7 marbles. Next topic, half for quarter. Let's learn about halves and quarters. Half means something is split into two equal parts. Quarter means something is split into 4 equal parts. Next example. Reena cuts a pizza into 2 equal pieces and eats one. She ate half of the pizza. Next example. Ravi cuts a roti into 4 equal pieces and eats one. He ate 1/4 of the roti. Next topic, quarters and whole. Let's look at quarters together. 1/4 is equal to 1 upon 4, 1 piece out of 4. 2 quarters is equal to 1 upon 2, half the whole. 3 quarters is equal to 3 upon 4, 3 parts out of 4. 4 quarters is equal to 1 whole. Next example. Look at this chocolate bar. It has 4 pieces. If you eat all 4, you have eaten 1 whole bar. Next example. A cake is cut into 4 slices. Anaya eats 2 slices. She has eaten half of the cake. Thanks for watching.